Hey folks, my name's Marcus and I'm crazy about cooking outdoors. And today I'm going to have a go at cooking a steak on this lovely fire pit. So things have been a bit rubbish recently in the world and coronavirus and everything going on. So here at my home at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, I love to spread a bit of positivity, and today I'm going to be cooking a lovely steak and just trying to cheer myself up really. What better way than a bit of fire and a bit of meat to cheer oneself up. So we built this fire pit out of like old rocks from the garden. I built it up layer by layer. It's pretty sturdy, so we're going to have some good time sat around this as a family. It's nice to have something to sit around while you are with your family and friends. You can't really go with your friends, but sadly I'm missing a lot of my friends. That's pretty rubbish. Normally I'd have a group of guys or some of my family friends, but yeah, I'm going to make the most of it and have some nice time with my family anyway. So yeah, here we go. So let's get this fire lit. We don't need that for the minute, so pop that to the side. A couple of natural fire lighters. Where you're going to light the fire. And then some kindling over the fire lighters. We'll get those going first. Then I've got some chunks of kiln-dried birch here. I'm going to get those on top. So we want the wood to burn down to embers so we can cook over the embers rather than the hot fire. So I've got this gorgeous rump steak here, nice and thick, and it's going to cook beautifully. A little bit of coarse rock salt on both sides. I'm going to go for a little bit of pepper, ground black pepper. Not too much, just for a nice little crust. There we go. And then the steak on in the centre there. So this is me in my happy place, fire in nature with a nice chunk of meat on the barbecue. That's looking pretty wonderful. Starting to build up some nice colour on here now. Looking good. Okay, so this is 47 degrees now, ready to take off, and it needs a nice rest for about 10 minutes. Lovely.